Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to copy and paste image in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software and open a project and a image. Now we show the copy and paste system. There are many systems to copy and paste the image. The first system is on the layer. You can copy the image easily. Select the image layer and click this duplicate option. Click right button and choose the duplicate layer option. We can see here two images. You can move this image. We can see we copy the image and paste this in one click. Now I am press Ctrl Z and apply another process. Select the image, go to the edit option, select this copy option and go back again this option and choose paste. Then move this. We can see here another process to copy and paste. You can use the shortcut key, press and hold the Alt on our keyboard and move the image, drag the image to copy. Now we can see we copy and paste the image in many way. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.